Yeah. So hello guys. Recently, I'm not putting any videos because I'm a bit busy these days. So what happened was recently I attended an interview in Wipro. So they're it's like first round. It's it's like AI coding interview. So that one I cleared that one. It's mostly they asked about like they gave me some three programs. One is from Core Java, so Stream API. One is from DSA, and one is from Java 8. These three questions I cleared. So and also I'll later comment on that questions, like what question they ask, program coding questions, that I cleared that. Then after that I went to this but don't care about this background, so I just I'm just putting it. uh, so and after that the second round was, it's like a face to face. Then I attended. I went to the Wipro, company. From here, it's in Elton City. Then I went there. It's like so many people came. So I went by at 11 o'clock. So then I'm waiting for my turn. So then after that they called me for an interview face to face. Then I went there. So then they asked about a couple of core Java questions, and they asked about how you rate yourself, how much you rate yourself, for core Java. And I told them so 3.6. So then after that they asked about they asked a couple of questions from oops concepts, and and also like exception handling, some threading questions, and also they gave me some coding questions. Like one was how can you write a program, like it's immutable class program that have written. And also there is a one more program they gave me, that's count the number of mm, number of words in a string. So that one also I completed. Later they gave me this some mini project kind of how to write the CRUD operations by using this one MVC, not MVC, core Java, and how to use plain JDBC and servlet, how to write that program. So but I didn't check that program so clearly. I didn't remember exactly how to how to configure all this driver class names, URLs, and these things are there, username and password. So there's somehow there will be some gap. So then I did not write well. So after that she asked about some kind of other deployment kind of things, like Kubernetes and Docker. So that I said. Then after that the interview completed. It's not, it's yeah, somehow uh, you know somehow it's feedback, like I felt it's negative. So that was my experience as a 5.3 years into Java. That's it for the video. And I'll post more videos. It depends on how well it performs.